Hello folks, this is Fred Levi. I'm the instructor for your course for today, and we're going to talk about the Credit Repair Organizations Act, Section 1679F, Noncompliance with this subchapter. So, a consumer waiver's invalid. Any waiver by any consumer of any protection provided by any right of the consumer under this subchapter, 1, shall be treated as void, and 2, may not be enforced by any federal or state court or any other person. B. Attempt to obtain a waiver. Any attempt by any person to obtain a waiver from any consumer of any protection provided by or any right of the consumer under the subchapter shall be treated as a violation of this subchapter. And C. Contracts not in compliance. Any contract for services which does not comply with the applicable provisions of this subchapter, 1, shall be treated as void, and 2, may not be enforced by any federal or state court or any other person.